Zulu, what is that toy? What is that, an octopus? Ah, you got this octopus. Yeah, you like him. Or her. You're tug-o-warring with Mama. You're strong. Yeah, you're strong. You're a good little girl. Aw, you tugging. You're a little tugger. Yes. Get it from Mama. Get it. All right. I'll let you have it. What is that? What you doing with that toy? Get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get that toy. Yeah, you better. It's so cute. You're so cute. You gonna run and get it if Mama throws it? You won't let it go now, huh? Look at that. Look at that tug-of-war. Ooh, chill, chill. Ooh, ooh. All right, all right. Look at her determination. She's like, I will win. I will. Okay. But as soon as I let go, she's like, okay, I want tug-of-war again. You're so funny. You are hilarious. Hilarious. Aww. All right. Can I throw it? I'm gonna throw it. Ah, got it. Boom. There she goes. And she comes back down. Yeah, she likes this one. Oh, but she won't let Mama get it. Oh, Zulu. All right, ready? Get. No. Yeah. I'm gonna get, I got it! Yeah, boom. All right, here she comes. As soon as, yeah. You just love that interaction. You just want Mama to, you want a tug-of-war with Mama. That's really what you want. You want a tug-of-war. You're gonna win. Huh? You're gonna win? Don't get whiplash now. Boy, you are so cute. You know that? I'm gonna give it to you. Boom. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna let go. Boom. All right. Good job, Curla-Wurla. Good job. Playing with your toy. You just love it. Yeah, look at. You say hi to everyone? He's so cute. Yeah. What? Gonna guard your toy? You're guarding it? I'm gonna get that toy. I'm gonna get that toy. See, as soon as I get it, she wants it. All right, Zulu. Look at me. You're so cute. Say thanks for watching me play my toy. Yes.